have the axles disassembled, and I took the old U-joints apart, and put the caps back in to keep powder coating out of there. And I put a little piece of brake line in so I can hang them nicely for coating. Tried to seal the part I don't want sandblasted or coated. And so now I'm gonna unbelievably blast these and powder coat them, even though they're underneath the car and never seen. Sandblasted it, and I didn't get the grease out here well enough, so I have to scrape it and put it back in. That goes on and on with these parts. You always miss something in the cabinet and then have to go back and redo it. I cleaned up one of the lever shocks. I was going to rebuild them, but I'm running out of time on this, so I think I'm going to do the exchange program. I'm going to take the second one apart. I got to take the link off here with a ball joint puller. That was pretty easy. Got it on there fairly tight, and I gave it a couple of smacks there and it popped right off. Well, I kind of hot flocked myself here. I tried to heat these and then powder coat them, and all I did was basically glue them to the pan, and when I pull them up, I pull up layers of other crap that was on here. Okay, I probably shouldn't have even tried to powder coat these things. They're just brake clips and brake holders. Here's my updated view of powder coated parts. Got the axles done. I even did all the little brake components. So almost done. I got the pile of black parts to go and a few more gray. I want to do the brake calipers in gray, but I tried soda blasting them just to be safe with the seals and the pistons, and it really doesn't clean them very well. So I think I'm going to take them apart, split them in half, use the old pistons to protect the piston chamber, and then throw them in the sandblast cabinet. I don't want to get sand in the bearing area, so I think I'm just going to powder coat that hub as it sits. It may not take real well, but it's going to have to do. The Media Blast did well on this aluminum or alloy bracket, the thermostat housing. So I think I'll leave those natural. Maybe I'll put the powder coat gloss just over them, see how that looks. Still a lot left to do really, but getting there.